Hey everyone, welcome to the Hackerspace here in beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. Here is where I work every day, and you have no idea what happened a few weeks ago. An amazing opportunity came up, and for that I'm going to give you an exclusive view into my Twitter DMs. These are some of the earliest GitHub employees, and they have reached out to me because they want to collaborate with me on a semi-official GitHub year in review. So I already did this last year. GitHub Wrapped was the original name, and then I almost got sued by Spotify, so I renamed it to GitHub Unwrapped. And this is what I did over a weekend. It allowed you to get a small video about your favorite programming languages and how many GitHub commits you did. And this is how they originally found me. So when they reached out, I realized, okay, I need to do this again, but this time it needs to be super scalable, super reliable, and much more beautiful. So that is the challenge that I am now taking on. So it is now mid-December, and for a year in review, we cannot launch this in February of 2023. This is a time-sensitive project, so I need to do as much as possible, as fast as possible. And for that, I created this GitHub board with all the to-dos that I need to do. We are rendering a video for each user who visits the page on AWS, and unfortunately AWS has these annoying limits. So what I did was I created 4 AWS sub-accounts, and I'm planning to use each region that they offer. To make it more visually interesting, this is what I did. I went with 4 different teams that you could choose from, and the overall aesthetic is very much hand-drawn. For that, I used a lot of rough.js, an SVG manipulation library. I love it since I discovered it. And yeah, here is a bug, for example. This scene specifically is causing me a lot of headache. It's just hard to do the right calculation so that it works with 65 issues, or if you have just opened a few of them, or there also needs to be a fallback if you have not done any issues at all this year. Here are some designs from about a week ago, and compared to now, they look really atrocious, I would say. It's incredible that they even put the trust in me to do this. This is how it could look like in a few days on the github.com/explore page, and that's also one to do for us, that we have to provide a better graphic than this one. One thing I value immensely about working in a shared office is that I can ask other people for honest feedback. So let's do some user research. Roman, which one do you think should I use as my YouTube thumbnail?
The one with the glasses, for sure. But I also love the Christmas sweater, I have to say.
Okay, yeah, me too, but then let's use the first one, and the animation is now crispy clean, and we are about to get a first reaction. I hope it's gonna be good. That was not supposed to happen. GitHub has told me that they will reimburse the money that we spend on stock music. Do you think they will be mad if we spend $674 on a 30-second track? Good morning, it is now December 19th and it is launch day. I've worked a bit over the weekend to clean up everything that I could think of and incorporate all the feedback, fix all the bugs, make the infrastructure super reliable. And one fun new thing is that there's different music depending on which team that you choose. So here we have the Candy Dream team. This is the Funky Gold team. Has a bit of an electro swing vibe to it. And this one is called Icy Winter. The most iciest of the teams. And what happened to the green team? Well, somebody took me aside and told me, Johnny, the green team, it does not look good, you should remove it. So I did, and that was probably a good call. 3 teams for now, we can of course still add more later. And we are live. I have just hit the publish button and written to a few of the newsletters, notified our Discord community, and now I'm going to post it on more and more places, slowly ramping up, and it seems like people are having fun. First few people have posted their GitHub Unwrapped on Twitter, and here we have some monitoring going on. I'm just observing who is making a video and if any of the renders are failing. So far so good, and yeah, there's just one more thing to do. Say thank you for watching this vlog, and here is my GitHub Unwrapped. Oh my god, it just went live. I just checked Twitter, and GitHub has posted my project to over 2.4 million users. Wow, that's amazing, and I'm extremely proud of what we have achieved so far. And it seems like people are also enjoying it a lot. Also, we are now putting up a public dashboard that you can also visit under githubunwrapped.com/dashboard if you want to see it, and then we'll count how many videos have been generated. Finally, it's been done, it's released, feels good, and I think that's it now. Holiday for the rest of the year. I came to the office today, and wow, a new monitor is on the wall. Roman installed it for me. Wow, it's so amazing, and the engineering is super great, angled, so we can always look up and see the current amount of videos, and this thing hides the cables very well. So awesome!